Hi everyone, welcome to the Frugal Planner channel. My name is April. If this is your first time here, hello, hello, hello. If this is a return trip for you, welcome back. As the video title says, I am putting some pens on your holiday wish list. If you are someone who enjoys pens, collects pens, does planners, writes in journals, I have my top 10 pens. If you are someone who loves someone who enjoys pens, writing, journals, all of that good stuff, and they don't have these pens, this is a wider range of prices in here, and they are my favorite. These go pretty much everywhere with me all of the time. So let's get to showing them off. So this one and this one are the exact same pen, except for one is gold and one is silver. They're available over on Amazon. They're the Pentel Energel Liquid Gel Ink, which is also what this one is. So I have 3 of these pens that I carry around at all times. This is a 0.7. Scooch this over. Smooth as butter. This is a 0.5. Also a 0.5. I absolutely love these. I'm going to put all the links down below. I'm not going to say the prices because you know how prices change, and I don't want to quote something and then have you go to the website and find a different price. Hopefully they are on sale, and if they are not, they're totally worth it. This is the Uniball 1. I absolutely love these pens. Also, all 3 of these are refillable, so you're not getting a pen that you're going to necessarily throw away. These are all refillable. This is the Uniball 1. And I believe this is the 0.5. Yes, 0.5. Again, smooth as butter, has a nice clip on it. Very sturdy clip. So if you or your loved one is someone who clips onto their binders or their notebooks, this is a great pen. Refillable as well. This one may surprise you. This is Pen & Gear, and it is one of my favorite pens. It is the cheapest pen probably on my top 10 list, and there is good reason for it. It's a pen that I came across while I was looking for the Frugal Planner channel, and I am just going to turn that heater up so it doesn't click off anymore. That is, sorry. That it was frugal enough but wrote well enough that I wasn't going to get frustrated, because a lot of times I've found more expensive pens write better, less expensive pens skip on the paper. This bad guy does not. This is an amazing pen. I found this one at Walmart, Pen & Gear. I'll tag it down below. Then, of course, the Pilot G2. These come in 3 different points. So this is the 7. It also comes in a 5 and a 1. So you've got a 0.5, a 0.7, and then a 1.0. I use all 3 of them. I carry around the 7 because it's right in the middle. This one is the Energel Klena. I do love a good Energel, and this one is a 0.5. Also refillable. But you can see the difference between these Energels and this Energel. These 2 are also 0.5, but look at how different they look. Did I say refillable? It's refillable. The next one is made by Muji. It is a 0.5. And I use this one mostly for my Tombow River paper. It is a great pen. It dries quickly. There's no smudging if you put your hand over it and you're writing something, like if you have something on Friday but you need to add something to Thursday, you can write, no smudging. I absolutely love it. Actually, it did smudge a little bit, but I hardly even let it dry. The next one is a Pentel sign pen. And if it didn't say sign pen in the title, I would say it's a marker. However, it is a Pentel sign pen. This one has been used. As you can see, it is very, it's not pointed anymore. When you get yours, it'll be pointed. It'll be a pointed. But I love this. I love this for making like headers, like saying, this is Monday. And the date is the 4th. See how bold and wonderful that is? And if you look, this is pretty thin paper. No bleed through, no ghosting. Gotta love it. Not refillable. And then of course we have the Lamy. It is probably the most expensive on my list. Oh, I am almost out of ink. This one is extra fine. But look how well that writes. It's just like butter. This one is refillable. It takes cartridges just like that. Easy peasy. And usually if you get them brand new, they send you a cartridge with it. So that way, if you want to buy an extra set of cartridges, you sure could, but it does come with one so that you're not, so that you can write right away. So that is my pen lineup that I take pretty much everywhere. It goes in my pen case, hardly ever to be left behind. And a lot of these pens, I have duplicates at work. These two I have duplicates at work, and of course I have more Uniball ones than probably anybody should. Same with the Pilots. I just absolutely love them. Let me know down below in the comments if you found a pen in this assortment that you were like, yes, I need to try that, or if you were thinking, I'm going to add that to my wish list. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.